Hello guys, my name is Callista, and today I'm going to be telling you how to make your own decoration of a turtle. Huh?
For? What's today?
For Earth Day.
So what do you need?
So you can use decorations inside. You need two googly eyes. You can use beads or pom-poms for the tail and head, but I'm using both. And you need hot glue gun, but you need mommy and daddy for it.
Okay. So what's the first thing we do?
The first thing we do is put this on.
Well, we gotta attach it, right? So here, you hold the phone.
Mommy is doing it.
Head.
That's one leg, I think. That's the tail. So the beads are going to be the legs. Can't really see them because they're on the other side. Mommy's doing it for me because you need help.
Because otherwise what can happen?
You can burn yourself. And that'll be painful. And I used to burn myself. And I just ripped it off. And that didn't hurt. That's hard because they're little.
Mm-hmm. Alright, what do you think?
Good, and I'm going to put my turtle decoration inside. So let's rip off the white piece. It's just a sticky one. There we go. And that's all, guys.